Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to set up Cypress in Windows. So I'm going to be tell you step by step process. If you follow the same step, you will be get Cypress in your Windows. Okay. What is the first step? Download Node.js. Okay. Open your Google Chrome. Just type on download Node.js. So after entering directly download Node.js, you will be get suggested links. You just to open the first one. So here different type of OS version of Node.js will be available. Which version you want, you can click, you can select and you can download it. Okay, so I want 64-bit. Once I can click on 64-bit, automatically the Node.js will start to download. Now downloaded successfully. Open this one, show in folder. Double click on this one. The setup wizard will install on your computer. We have to start to install Node.js. I accept terms and condition. So here it will be asking the destination folder where you have to keep on this Node.js. I'm going to be keep on C drive. Okay. If you want to change, you can select your the directory. Okay, your wish. So better whatever program you are going to be installed, those software you have to keep on in C drive. Okay. Next, automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will install. The script will pop up new window after the installation completion. No need. I just click on next. Install. So after click on install, it will be asking on pop-up. That pop-up you have to give yes. So after it will be start to installing Node.js. Okay. So the Node.js has been successfully installed now. Finish. How I can verify that one? So go to program files, C drive, which is C drive program files. You can find whether the Node.js folder displayed or not. See, the Node.js will be displayed here. Okay, so based on this folder structure, this exe file, we get confirmation the Node.js successfully installed. Okay, next is we have to set the path of in environment variable. If you installed Java, means you have to set path, right? Then only your system will configured with the installed software. Now we can set up this node home. So what is the node home path? So after click on this node.js, this is the path we have to take. Okay, here in Windows 10 you just search system or else environment variables. So after entering the environment variables, it will be give you the result. Edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables. Here where I have to paste that path, whether user or whether user variables or system variables. So you have to paste inside user variables. Okay. See, this is the user variables. Sorry, system variable. User variables does not need. System variables only. It will be configured successfully with in your system, which is Windows. Okay, so now so you can keep on remind. So if you install Java, everything you have to keep that bin file and maven home everything inside system variables, right? So like that way you have to click on edit, sorry, click on new. We have to give the new one. Okay, I'm going to be give node home. Here I have to paste program node.js, click on OK and OK. Sorry. Next the steps, we have to create the Cypress working folder. So where you have to keep on the Cypress files everything. Now we have to move to D drive. Here I'm going to be create one folder. So here I'm going to be Cypress test Inside I'm going to be create the folder Cypress automation. This is the working space directory. Now I'm successfully created that folder inside D drive. Okay, next download Visual Studio Code Editor, because Eclipse, we are using Eclipse, right, for editor for writing the Java program. So like that way, for writing the JavaScript code, we are using Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, here I'm going to be download this one. So open Google Chrome. Here you can type on download Visual Studio Code Editor. So here you can select this one, the download Visual Studio Mac and Linux Windows. So here also the different type of OS version of editor will be available. Which OS you want, you can select here. Okay, I need 64-bit. Okay, or else you can directly download this one. After click on this one, automatically the Visual Studio Code start to downloading. It will take few seconds. So you can check your internet keep on fast. So successfully downloaded. Now I'm going to be showing folder. So it will be downloaded. Now I'm going to be double click on this VS Code, accept agreement, next. So here you can see to continue, click next. If you would like to select different folder, click browse. So where you have to keep on this VS Code, you can select this path using the browse button. Okay, so already I told you what are the application or software you have to download. You can keep on inside C drive. Okay, your files only you have to keep inside D drive. Okay, click on next. Don't create start menu folder. I'm going to be select this one, no need. And create desktop icon, I don't want, so I directly click on next. If you want, you can create better. Okay, I can create I checked this checkbox. It is easily open this Visual Studio Code Editor. Installed, start to installing. So next what we will do, so successfully installed this Visual Studio Code Editor. Click on finish. So after click on finish, automatically will launch this Visual Studio Code. So here you have to open Cypress workspace directory. So already I created one directory, right, inside D drive. Cypress automation. This is the my Cypress workspace directory. I'm going to be open. The same way what you followed in Eclipse, we have to follow inside Visual Studio also. Okay, so the editor only will be changed. Apart from everything, same only. Okay, open folder. Click on this open folder. So here we have to go to here, or else we can go to file, open folder. Okay, whatever your wish. Cypress test. Inside Cypress test only I created Cypress automation. I click on select folder, it will be opened. So now this is the empty only. So we just created workspace directory. That folder will imported inside editor. Other than that, we didn't connect with the Node.js. That Visual Studio Code that's not connected with Node.js. Okay, next we will do that one. How we can connected this Visual Studio to Node.js. Next step is generate package.json. Okay. Now I'm going to be open command prompt in Cypress workspace. So this is the workspace directory. After selecting whole path, you can click on, type on command. So automatically the command prompt will open the specific path. Okay. Here I'm going to be entered type npm int. So the npm package will start to download it. Will ask you where I have to keep on everything. So this is the basic things for starting the JavaScript. Okay. Okay. npm int. So here the package name Cypress Automation. So what name have to given? So your wish. So here already we are created workspace directory. What name have to give your suggestion? So here I given Cypress project, whatever it is your wish. Here I'm going to be give what? Sorry, I'm going to be minimize that one because it will be confuse you. Cypress automation test. This is the sorry. This is the package name. If you want to same as this package name, better. If you don't want means you can keep on uh, the same name. Okay. So version no need. Description no, I don't want give anything. Entry point no. Test command no. Git repository I don't want mention any Git repository. Keywords no. Author I just give Natasha Tech. License. So here the see the package.json will create it successfully. What you gave before this description version, those information will be updated inside package.json. Okay, so this is the basic structure what you have to give. So here I'm going to be give yes. Now we are successfully created package.json. Okay. So next we need to check whether the package JSON will be created or not inside Visual Studio. See, it will be created successfully. You got right. So before we can see the Cypress automation having does not having any folder. After start to npm initiate, the package.json will be created successfully. Okay. Next. So we just to open this one, whether this info, what info given inside command promote, those information will be matched or not, you just verify. Okay, so it will be matching, there is no problem. So next is npm install Cypress. So we are successfully created package.json, then we have to install Cypress. Okay, so this is the way we have to connect Visual Studio Editor and Node.js. Okay, so how we can install? Go to that same workspace, which is the Cypress workspace directory. So already I opened the same path. You don't want to open another command prompt. Here I'm going to be entered one command. So what is the command? npm install Cypress. This is the command name. Okay. npm install Cypress. Start to fetch all the data because the Cypress containing many libraries modules. It will be take time for finishing those installations. Okay. See, after fetching all the modules, the node modules will be created inside your Cypress workspace directory. That installing Cypress will be going on. It will be take around 5 minutes or 10 minutes. One by one only it will be installing. Okay. Let's see how long it will be take. So after downloading downloaded Cypress, next it will be jumping to unzipping Cypress. So the Cypress is very important. When you start to working on the Cypress, you should learn JavaScript. Okay, so the Python also upcoming days is going 20 level. The same way JavaScript also you want to know. If you know very well, it is easy to understand and easy to write in the code. How we can automate the different scenario using the JavaScript. Okay. And one thing, when you have to start to Cypress, right, it has a lot of advantages available because there is no additional framework we don't want to use here, because Cypress inbuiltly generate the report, and also it will be recording your test result. It is easy to help you analyzing your test script result, and it will be taking screenshot and recording video. If we want to pass that video to any other team member, it is easy to take and forward to others. Okay. And next thing is it has many models available. It is easy to we can configure with MongoDB and database itself. Okay, now we can successfully installed Cypress. Let's see. So what are the folder structure will be updated newly. So here in my Cypress workspace directory, I can see additionally the Cypress folder updated and the Cypress JSON also updated, right? So after done your installations, the 2 folders and the 3 files also will be updated successfully. The same folder and file will be updated in Visual Studio Code Editor also. See, under the Cypress you will be get 4 different type of folder, and node modules and the cypress.json. So everything it will be uh, created successfully, which is same as workspace directory. Okay, so this is the basic setup of installation procedure for the Cypress. Okay, thank you guys.